In this video we'll show you how to replace pollen filter or cabin air filter on Volkswagen Golf Mk4, Jetta and Bora. First, lift the hood and take the rubber seal on the side. Then remove those 4 bolts using a Phillips screwdriver. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Then lift up and then pull the plastic cover out. Then remove the pollen filter from the car. You just have to pull those 2 tabs towards you and then lift the pollen filter up. We will replace it also with the old filter because we don't have a new one. So you have to replace the old filter with a new one. Take it from the bracket. Take it out from the bracket. You can see on the side that there are 2 arrows where the air flows. You have to install the new pollen filter into the bracket and fit it back in. So fit it back until it clicks. You can find the new pollen filter for Volkswagen Golf Mk4, Jetta and Bora in the video description. Install the plastic cover back. Put the screws back. Put the rubber seal back on. And that's it. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.